Got this big old hog up in the shop. Say hello to my new exhaust. Gonna be quiet finally. It's a little cold up there, fellas. What do you think? Back in this joint, ready to shut her up. What muffler? Yeah, really, what muffler? Doggone, I hate when it shuts off. I think that's the reason why you're loud. Right there. Say hello to my new exhaust. That's quiet, guys. I know it's just an exhaust, but now my truck is quiet and I can hear myself think inside my cab. Now she's too quiet, and that's perfectly fine by me because I can seriously think, I can play music now, and it's just awesome. And now I'm home, so now I can eat.